Very good morning, all the students of 4th standard. From the last so many days, I haven't sent any video. So today, once again, we will turn toward this. We are here learning that sixth lesson of history. This one lesson we kept will leave in the middle only. So the oath of the Swaraj, this is the sixth lesson of 4th standard history. So in these lessons we are learning page number 23 is going on, the oath of Swaraj. How Shivaji Maharaj took the oath of Swaraj along with his friend, along with Mavalas, that we are learning here. So he went at Rayareshwar's temple. This temple was a hidden beauty. It is into the deep forest, surrounded by the thick forest there. So with his friends and Mavalas, he went there. There he spoke, he addressed them how many days will remain in the bondages. Do we serve like in this way for the others? We don't have any kind of freedom. Our life is totally, it is only for the others. Now here he took the oath with his friend that, and he started the preparations in the Mawar valleys. He started to acquaint with the regions, areas there, and preparations about that regions, areas, start to study about geographical conditions, locations, secret paths, hiding places, best route to precipice, or the along with that forts, ammunition cellar, positions of forts, soldiers, everything in detail, minute informations he start to receive, he start to get. Now next point, that is friends in Mawar. This one point is going on, friends in Mawar. All over the 12 Mavalas, there were Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans. In Maharashtra, all were the 12 Mavalas. Deshmukhs, they were guarding their individual watans. This, what are the watan they gifted from the, by doing the service of the their watandar, Miss Deshmukh, Deshpande, this, they were what they were received some of the lands from the emperor. They enjoy in that only. They were constantly quarrel between them, leading the useless waste of money and manpowers. So they were quarreling, fighting, and in this way they lose their manpowers, and along with that they lose the money. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. He saw all the condition and he decided to put an end all these things there. He saw and decided to put an end to the situation, because he saw the situation that how was the miserable condition of situation in the Maharashtra. He would visit the Deshmukh in the area. He visited Deshmukh in that area. He talked to them, pursued them, desist from their folly, and raised before them a very attractive pictures of the Swaraj of his dream. So he tried to pursue their mind, their natures, and he convinced them in the work of Swaraj. He thus won many of them over to his side. So in this way Shivaji Maharaj won the favor, many of their favors he won in his side there. He used force against those who were adamant, those Patandar, those who were adamant, those who were not ready to be listen or understand the situations against them. He used the force, he used the powers those who behave rudely with Shivaji. Against them he used the powers there. In this way he stopped the mutual warfare. In this way Shivaji Maharaj stopped the mutual warfare in Maharashtra. Whatever the mutual war is there, fighting is there, that he stopped. Everybody was pleased with this happy result. All the persons from the Maharashtra, all the citizens of Maharashtra, they were pleased, they were happy by this result of Shivaji Maharaj. With this happy result, and all started singing the praise of Shivaji Maharaj. So all these people, they started to sing in the praise of Shivaji Maharaj. They were happy by seeing the result of Shivaji's activities there. Among that, Zanjirrao Maral, Haibatrao Shilmarkar, Baji Pasalkar, Vithoji Shitole, J.D. Paigude, Bandal were some of the Deshmukhs in the Mawar valleys who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader. So these were some of the leaders, these were some of the Deshmukhs in the Mawar valley, and these leaders of the Deshmukhs, they began to look after the Shivaji as their leader. So the dream of Swaraj was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. So in this way, whatever the Shivaji Maharaj's dream of Swaraj, the dream of Swaraj was fastly, it was approaching toward the fulfillment of his dream, fulfillment of his wishes or aims. So Shivaji Maharaj, he planned, and according to his plan he worked. So due to that he became famous and he became successful in his attempt. But along with that he got support from his companions, comrades, the best Mavalas. They supported him. So their support is also important in establishing a Swaraj in Maharashtra. So today we will stop here. When we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will come with the next point of the same lessons. So till at that time you read out these lessons. Lesson number 6 of 4th standard, the oath of Swaraj, and page number 23 is going on. That will continue tomorrow. So thank you very much.